Family, what's good, what's good, what's good? It is time for another Showcase Sundays. We on the way there right now, about to bust this U-turn real quick. We gonna bring you some content, yeah. Family, we looking like something out here. We looking like something. Showcase Sundays is back in full effect. Let's go. Family, you already know what time it is, man.
What up, what up, what up, what up?
Y'all know I be having to come check my vendors.
Yeah.
Oh man, we got the dogs out. We got the dogs out with the man himself. Hey, what you got popping over here,
We
cuz?
swinging these glizzies.
Yeah.
We swinging these glizzies.
Glizzy's on deck.
Yeah.
For real, for real.
You see, he excited.
Yeah, we swinging these glizzies.
Mama, what we got? Mama, what we got going on
We got
over
the
here?
best cakes here in Orlando. We got cinnamon toast crunch.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
We got cookie butter biscoff.
Come here.
Water.
And then we got strawberry crunch over here.
And the strawberry crunch. Tell people how to get a hold of you.
You can get a hold of me on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. It's gonna be Rose's Cake Factory.
Hey, Rose's Cake Factory. Better check it out. That cinnamon toast crunch, I think that got my name on it right there. For real. For real, for real. Family, y'all already know who we got here. Y'all recognize her.
Hot Wheels.
That's our Hot Wheel lady right there. Y'all recognize her, family. Y'all already know. Come down, get your Hot Wheels, man. Like I said, she custom makes your Hot Wheels to make it look like your car. Let's see if you fly like that, yo. Let's see if you fly like that, family. Our vendors, yeah, our vendors. We gotta show love to our vendors, man. They the ones that make sure that we good through this whole process, man. They got food. They got our sweets. They got our little, our Hot Wheels and everything, bruh. I see you back there, Ty. That's how you do it, dog. Police pull up, you offer them a glizzy, get them out of here. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, family, another good one, another successful one, man. We up out of here. Showcase Sundays, man. Hey, this thing look like it's keeping getting better and better. Let's go.